guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. So today's video is going to be my June favorites. I'm going to be sharing with you guys all the products that I have been loving in the month of June. And I wanted to tell you guys and just disclaim that I don't have a lot of products to share with you guys today, and I also didn't really feel like doing my makeup heavy, so I just did my brows, some mascara, and lip product. I don't know why I even have to say that, but I just wanted to say that. But I just wanted to share with you guys some of the products that I've been loving in June. So I do have mostly skincare. I only have one makeup item, but I really have been trying like more skincare this month that I want to share. If you guys hear like a little baby in the background, that's my baby nephew. I have some family visiting, and my brother is here with his wife and their baby. But anyway, so the first product that I have really been loving this month is the Peter Thomas Roth water drenched broad spectrum SPF 45 Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizer. I love the jar moisturizer because Peter Thomas Roth makes a water drenched in a jar, but this one is the moisturizer with a sunscreen. So when I saw that they had this with a sunscreen in it, I definitely purchased this, and this has been really amazing for me. It doesn't leave a white cast on my skin, it doesn't leave like a film or anything. It blends in very effortlessly. It goes on clear, and it's a pretty high SPF concentration, 45, which is pretty high. So I have really been loving this and using this a lot, and I will continue to repurchase this moisturizer because it is a really great moisturizer. It's super light on my face, super moisturizing, but it does the job. Like, it still hydrates my skin very well. Speaking of moisture, I have been really loving this right here. This is the Laniege Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer. So this is a toner and moisturizer in one. I use it as a toner, and I go on top with a moisturizer for that extra moisture for my skin. I just really love how this helps my skin to feel hydrated. If I have any dry patches, if my skin feels like dull or patchy or anything, this really helps to bring the moisture back and help my skin look plump and just dewy and very moisturized and very nice. So I really love this toner and moisturizer, and just like the Peter Thomas Roth, I will definitely keep repurchasing this Laniege toner and moisturizer because I was always looking for a moisturizer like this. I was always looking for a moisturizer that really helped to moisturize and plump the skin, and I was trying different moisturizers, but none of them worked like this one. Because I remember when I bought this, my skin was going through it. My skin was going through a lot, and my skin was very dry and flaky and patchy, and I remember using this the first time and I saw a difference in my skin, and it's just so amazing. And also another thing that I have really been liking is this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Now this by Estee Lauder has been out for a very long time. I remember I used to work the counter at Estee Lauder back in 2016, and they would always try to sell this to people. Now this is the mini bottle because the large bottle is like really expensive, but this, for whatever reason guys, like when I use this Advanced Night Repair, I feel like my skin just looks so much brighter. And I remember I had like a pimple here that made like a big spot here, and after I used this, I feel like it went away. Like, I don't know exactly all the ingredients in this, but I know this has been around for a very long time, and I'm sure like there's people who have in-depth videos on this product, but I really do like this Advanced Night Repair serum. It is really good. Like, I remember the women in my county, they used to always rave about it. It was like, oh my gosh, you have to incorporate that in your skincare, and I was like, ugh, like, it's okay, that's fine. But this really is a game changer in your skin. It just, I don't know what exactly is in it, but it like transforms your skin overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, you just wake up with nice glowy skin, and it hydrates the skin so nice. I do put a moisturizer on top of this, so I don't just use this by itself and then go to sleep. I put this and then I seal it with a moisturizer. But if you haven't tried it, you can always buy the little mini one. I bought this for I think $18 from Sephora. It's very tiny for, you know, $18, but the big bottle I think is like $60 or 80 something dollars. But yeah, so it's like this, and then it comes in this little tube, and then you just do a couple drops on your hand, and then you just rub it in. I did the, like, in this website it says like a heart motion that you can do when you're applying this. That's what I did when I apply it, because I'm, you know, I'm trying to use it. But it's a good one. And something that's actually more affordable that's really good is this by the Inkey list, and this is the retinol serum. I really like this. I was very skeptical about putting retinol on my face because I know I have sensitive skin and I didn't want my skin to react. I didn't want my skin to like react badly or for me to break out or anything to happen. So I introduced this to my skin. I only used it once a week, and then the next week I did twice a week, and then I only use it now really only twice a week, just because I don't think I need to use retinol every single day. But this has helped my skin a lot. No Skincare by Hiram raves about this brand. He says the ingredients in here are very good, they're not bad for your skin. So I really recommend, if you want to introduce retinol, just introduce it very slowly to your skin. And the next product is this by Cetaphil. This is the moisturizing cream. I have very dry body skin. Like my skin on my body is super dry, so this moisturizing cream has been very helpful. And also my skin breaks out into hives because of my allergies, and so this has been very soothing for my sensitive skin, and it also has been working for my dry skin. So it's two, you know, so it's made for the very dry and sensitive skin, and I really like this. It doesn't have like this greasy leftover product after using it. It's very moisturizing and it's thick. It's very thick, and it does come in a jar. I have a scent, so this has been a really great product for my skin, and I really do like it. It leaves my skin moisturized, and it doesn't leave it like looking greasy or oily. And if you have sensitive skin or if you get hives or anything like that, I would recommend this brand Cetaphil because it is for sensitive skin. And I buy again the one Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream for very dry and sensitive skin. Another item that I really have been loving this month, this is kind of cheating because I just received it in my BoxyCharm, but it has been this NARS Dance Fever Velvet Matte Lipstick. That is the color I'm wearing on my lips today. I lined my lip with the Alamar Cosmetics, what is this? What color is this again? Coqueta. With Coqueta, and then I went inside with this color, and it just gives me the most beautiful combo. I really love doing this color for my lips. This is the color. I've been wearing this lipstick almost every single day ever since I got it. I just really like it. I think it's such a beautiful everyday color, and I will definitely keep repurchasing this because this pencil is just so beautiful and so pretty, and I love it. And last item that I want to share with you guys is a pair of shoes. These are my Adidas sneakers. These are the Adidas Cloud Foam. No, these are the Adidas sneakers. I got them at DSW. They're just, you know, the plain white ones with the black stripes and the black here. I don't really know what the name of these are called. I just call them Adidas sneakers. I'll link them down below. I did get them at DSW. I got them on sale too. I had a coupon like that gave me like $20 off, I think. But I have been wearing these shoes a lot. I love how comfortable they are. I just love the style. I love to wear these with my biker shorts, like an oversized t-shirt. I just really have been loving these sneakers. I'm not a sneaker person, but I'm starting to like become into sneakers. I still love my sandals and my heels, but I'm starting to like purchase more sneakers and try out more sneakers. But I really like these. These are very comfortable, and they're just nice to travel with. They're nice to just, they don't hurt your feet. I remember like walking with these all day. I wear them to work sometimes, and they're just really comfortable shoes and very good shoes. And yeah, those are sneakers I've been really rocking. Those are really my only pair of sneakers to go out with. This is it for this video. This was my June favorites. It's not a lot, I know. I haven't really been trying much, you know, ever since COVID. I haven't really been trying much makeup, and I don't know what, like I've been trying to save a lot of money too, but I haven't been like trying much. But thank you so much for watching my June favorites. I hope you guys liked this video, and maybe there's some things in here that you might want to try out. And also I want to know what your June favorites are. What are some products that you have been loving in the month of June, and what are some products you want to try out? And also please leave video suggestions down below. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.